Okay, so the strategy with buy now, pay later is you allow customers to pay for your product on a payment plan. The easiest way to do this is use a buy now, pay later company. There's a million of them. Some of the big ones are Klarna, Affirm, Afterpay, and there's different companies that do this all over the world. You could also do it yourself with a subscription, although I don't recommend doing that. Okay, so the biggest thing that this can have in terms of an impact on your company is this can lower your CAC by increasing the conversion rate. So you can basically get more conversions from the same ad spend, especially if you have a product that has a high average order value. You'll convert more people if it's more affordable for them to buy it, basically. Um, the buy now, pay later companies generally charge the vendor 2 to 8%. So that's something you need to look at and to try to figure out if the increase in conversion can actually make up for that drop in revenue. So we have a couple scenarios here. One is no buy now, pay later. This is buy now, pay later. Same prices as the regular situation. And the third is offering bundles with 20% discounts. So you're bundling products and offering discounts plus the buy now, pay later. So you're effectively giving people a deal and then trying to make it more affordable for them to pay for the product. So let's look at these three scenarios really quick. So in scenario 1, 2, and 3, we're spending $10,000. The cost per click is $2.50. So each of them is bringing 4,000 people to the website. And this is where things start to change. So in scenario 1, we're saying 2% of people convert. So that's 80 people. In scenario 2, we're saying actually the conversion rate goes up to 2.5%. And that's because the 0.5% of the people wouldn't have converted, but the fact that they can finance the purchase makes them convert. In scenario 3, we say it's 2.5% as well. It's going to be, we'll see down here, a slightly higher average order value, but they're getting a better deal overall. So this situation, we have CAC, which is 125, because the conversion rate's lower, and then 100 and 100. So far we've reduced our CAC with the buy now, pay later bundles. Then the average order value is 150. 150, and with the bundle, it's 250, but 20% discount with bundle. So 250, but they're getting really more than 250 of product. So the discount here is 20%. So we have that here. And then the buy now, pay later fee, in this scenario, it's 0, but here it's 5%, and here it's 5%. So the company actually only makes $143 because they have to give the payment processor 5%. And the company here takes out the 20% discount and the 5% fee. So they only end up collecting $188. Okay. So in the three scenarios, we're saying basically that cost of goods sold is 35% of revenue. So COGS is $53, $53, and then $88. And we're basing this 35% on the original AOV, the value of the product. And so we wouldn't want to base it on this lower AOV because it's really a percent of the undiscounted products. So gross profit is 98, 90, and 100. So this is all pretty similar. So now let's look at our profit minus marketing. So gross profit after marketing. So in scenario 1, we actually lost $28 because the CAC was higher. In scenario 2, we actually lost $10. And in scenario 3, we actually broke even on the first order. But now let's look at lifetime orders. So let's say that in each of these scenarios, customers generally buy about 2.5 times. And so the customer lifetime value ends up being the $98 of gross profit times 2.5, $90 of gross profit times 2.5, and 100 times 2.5. So this is the customer lifetime value. So they're all pretty similar, actually. And then if you look at the LTV divided by the CAC, so you have 244 divided by 125, well, that's the lowest LTV to CAC ratio because of the higher customer acquisition cost. This one is slightly better because the CAC is 100. And then the best one is the buy now, pay later plus the bundle. So it's not a huge improvement, but to improve your LTV to CAC ratio, let's see, by 28%, that should make a difference and should drive a lot more profit to the bottom line of your company.